Welcome back. In this video, we're going to create a ConvertKit landing page. And to do that, we're going to go to the landing page area. Once we come into this screen, we're then going to click New Form. And then we're going to click Landing Page. Now you're going to notice several kinds of templates determined by what you're trying to do. Once you determine how you want to use a landing page and what you want to do, you're then going to click Choose. You're going to want to give your landing page a specific name. You're then going to want to customize the specific elements of the landing page that you're working with. What you're then going to want to do is you're going to want to go through each of these settings. Now, once you've edited the elements, you're then going to want to preview your landing page. You're then going to click Save. And when you are ready to deploy the landing page, you'll click this Share button, and then you can have this form hosted by ConvertKit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.